Changing employee or dependent information. Once logged in, to change an employee or dependent record, hover over the Enrollment tab at the top of your screen. Then, from the drop-down options, click the Perform Enrollment option. Once the enrollment screen has loaded, you will see 3 different options. The second option is Changes. This is the option you will choose. To make changes, simply click on the Change Type drop-down and click the desired change that you would like. The Change options allows you to submit changes for existing employees and dependents as such. Adding a new dependent, which would change the employee tier, address changes, benefit changes, changing of a division, name changes, rehires, or terminations. After choosing the type of change you are making, you will enter a change date for this change. These change dates can be for past or future dates. Once you have selected the change type and change date, click Go. This will bring you to the member search page. Here, you will type in the employee or dependent information to bring up the member. To search, you must first choose the search option. You can search by employees only or dependents only. Then enter the last name or patient ID. You do not need to search with both the patient ID and the last name. Once this information has been input, click the Search button. The member search results page will then populate with member names. From the list, choose the requested member and click the member's hyperlinked name. This will bring you to the requested fields that need to be changed. Here, simply correct or update the required information, then click Submit. If you would like to make any notes or comments about this change, feel free to do so in the comments box below the member's information. This change has now been submitted for review. Need help terminating or adding a new employee or dependent? Check out our other videos on how to add an employee or dependent and how to terminate employees and dependents.